or introduction to her family channel.
You have to take them apart, don't you?
Yeah, when you get this now, they have to assemble this for you, you know. Hope you're having a beautiful Monday. Hope you're having a blessed time. Safe. Me there, may I try to keep it safe. It look like we have a soon start cut back.
Mom and Dad aren't here. They went in St. Mary, and you guys is just a little
I may have sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make a little sweet potatoes salad. So until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be blessed day to you, YouTube family. It's Tuesday and it's almost midday. I have been craving some curry chicken foot and white rice for the longest while. Maybe this is 2 pounds, 1 kilo. Maybe I just me alone about have this because my family they mostly like it in soup. Me drink the soup too, but me have a time when I just feel for it. And I like it stew, I like it curry. But I prefer it when it's curried. Did I say I hope you and your family are having a good whenever you get to watch this video? If I did I say that? Okay. Say hi, camera girl.
Hi guys.
Alright, so may I put a little salty. I'm gonna season it up. I know it's a pure bone. And I'm gonna rub it up and make it stay till, you know. And I'm doing it at this time when as I try to reach out to it. This is a little the Montreal grilled meats. It's chicken for chicken meat. So may I put some funny. The water people on this side for us turn off the water. May I put a turmeric to bring up the watless curry. I rub it up with turmeric because I feel me burn the curry. Yes, I may put a turmeric for bring enough to enhance the curry color. I don't know the turmeric thing, and this is some basil. I got here some pimento seed, and I don't know where to crush it. It's me pimento and a friend. I'm gonna rinse a little and put it in there. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna squeeze a lime juice. I did use some of them lime here for wash them with the rind, but I still have squeeze a lime juice. So I'm gonna clean up my scallions them. So I have some dry chopped onion flakes. So I'm gonna put some on it from. Okay. I'm looking for my grater. I work with the water people. Then I'll show you what come out of the pipe. Like just since about an hour ago. They might start it little, you know, but honestly, I not even pay much mind. But just have to ignore it because I have my plans already, so then can't do them. Since yesterday, I come. Or last week one. I don't know. I put in some fresh ginger. 2 pounds and like a look half of your thumb finger. You know, fresh ginger is always. I have other ginger, but fresh ginger for me always do the trick. So family may season up this to make it for heat a little time and then for cook. But remember me I tell you know, say me wish. I try to get down the pressure cooker. I don't know it just come to me like me can't wait. And probably if my hunger can last out long enough, I cook few banana with it. A little cup of rice, 2 finger banana and some of this. And this is I have to cook dinner for Dad. Camera girl, I said, Dad not eat them. Camera girl said she see Dad eat it, but me don't remember. Only in a soup, me know. So, like when me alone, I go start it out with some pepper. You know Dad no want this. I'm gonna go real generous with the pepper. Now I want my hands to be washed. Look at what is happening. Look. Let me see it. Ah, boy. Family, next clip. So, actually, family, I used to make kind of, yeah, I do all of them like that. So. I feel like I go stand up on something. Dad always said I'm pressure cooker, but I think I go use the pressure cooker, family. Comment and tell me if you like chicken foot. I haven't had chicken foot in a long time. So, as me always tell them something I bone, you know, they can't take no up and marinade, you know, because Nothing can go through them. But you know, you go and rub it up and make it stay a little. There's nothing that can go through these. You have to just cook it away and make it just absorb the juice and the flavor from where you go through, right? You know, the chicken foot when you know it have the little gum thing in it and so. Yeah, so see there? My chicken foot. I'm gonna make a meal out of this. Remember, this is just turmeric, you see? But me just rub it up and yeah, so I'm gonna leave it about 15-20 minutes because I'm really hungry. I don't know I'm gonna fear off. See them gloves out there rotten. So I'm gonna cover it up little. I'm gonna try to get little other people water and make sure it clean off. Then look at something I use and get a snap on something and get down my pressure cooker. I can't wait for it on its own. Pressure cooker to the rescue. Yeah. Next clip, YouTube family. The pressure cooker. That always takes it down for us. But that is at work. So we decide to look here. Let's go this route. So I am doing this little burning thing on the curry. Normally, you know, me do it in a Jessie, but this little pot is nearest to me, so. And I'm using the better pot curry, but I don't know, you know, everybody knows it. Curry is not what it is these days. And we're not bashing the curry. I guess everything is not what it is, or it's supposed to be these days. Not only the curry alone, family, but other stuff. Everything has changed and is changing or continuing to change. So everything is not what it used to be as of old, family. Yes, so I should have grabbed a wooden spoon. It's more firmer than them plastic spoon. You feel the plastic spoon? Yeah, may I get the flame up? So this is looking good. So I'm gonna rinse out this thing. And you know me, I go throw the water to the side. Yeah, curry, the turmeric color out the something. So me have it on a little medium heat. Yeah. So I had to put room temperature water for me because I didn't even get the whole water thing. But just lose focus and I should have just get some water and boil. Yeah, so look here. This is what it looks like, cooking real good. And so on. So I'm gonna leave it there. And as we go along, I'll continue checking with you. And all of that. And I'm gonna go get a little rice, put in. I have a few stuff there to wash up, nothing much. So we'll be preparing this curry chicken food. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me if you eat curry chicken food, where you love it with. Wow, so my little curry chicken food is cooking away, fam. It's looking pretty. The color of the curry is really fantastic. I am so pleased about the color of this curry. And you can see some chicken foot, them take time to break down. Yeah, what I really like about cooking this, I like the pressure cooker method because you know it carry you fast. Yeah, save gas and everything. But when you cook it this way, you get to watch it break down and you will know just, because I don't like it too soft. I like to play around to have some fun time with my bones. So this curry, you can comment, family. The color of this curry is looking fantastic. So I'm going to let it cook down, and maybe when this water is all dried out, I'll put a little more, or this liquid, so to speak. Come back to show you. And I'm going to add a little butter. There I will test for my salt perfection. Alright, so I think I'm going to go check on, get on a little rice on. This lunch is look like a dinner, family. Look like a dinner. So I am not sure if I have do we have bell peppers? We don't. Oh, we don't have bell peppers. So it's a handful of bell peppers would be nice right there. But if we don't, we'll go through with what we have. Alright, family. Gonna get my rice right in now. I'm gonna get my rice and put on my rice. I want to cook a few fingers of banana, and I am trying my best to pull it out. The water is not so kind to me, but I'm still gonna be trying. Alright, family. So I'll catch you the next day. You see the chicken foot, it take its time to come down. The jelly, the melonness, it take its time to come down. You know? See there? Take its time to come down. And you notice something? The gravy is getting real thick because the that thing there on the chicken foot. What do they call it again called? The thing that will get the glue. That's what tells you that your chicken foot is being cooked in a family. To be honest, me just did even wanted to do it in the pressure cooker because I'm hungry. But all the hungry drink like a pipe water and make it cook this way. When it's slow cook, it's the best. When the chicken foot slow cook, to be honest, you know I love pressure cooker. But when it's chicken foot slow cook, it's the best. Because when you pressure it sometimes, you know, it get too soft. Cause, you know, sometimes you never can even monitor it the right way. So you see, look here. Look at the thickness of the gravy. The sting here. I don't know what it named. You all can just help me in the comment section. It starts to break down and then the chicken foot as its own gravy. Yeah. So look here. This is going on so nice. So I have it at a low temperature now, family. And this is time now for our rice. So I go put on my little rice. When it starts to eat up, I put a butter in it. Honestly, I must not lie. Not look like the banana going to be possible. That is home though, so I don't know if you know anything about it, but the time it's really hot. But I would love a finger or two of banana, but if it's not possible, I'll go with the chicken foot and the rice, and I might just chop some cucumbers. So I can reassure you, or I can assure you, that in the next clip, this food will be ready for dishing. If you like chicken foot, comment, tell me your favorite way. Stew, if I find a tin of bean, I'm gonna search. I'm gonna put it in there. Next clip. So YouTube family, it's actually food time. I don't know if it's dinner or what, but Dad says he's gonna have some. So let me make sure I dish up some for Dad. Cobb doesn't care for this. Jerry doesn't care for it either. Family, me have 2 kids. I might pick them for Jamaican, pick them with us born in a regular household. You know, they don't care one bit for anything with bone. In fact, my kids, they don't eat any form of bone. Me never see them here. When you come in, Jamaican picnic no love bone. Anything that has a lot of bones, my kids don't care for it. They love fried chicken. Them not eat and suck off no bone. And they love, I don't even know outside of chicken and fish what my kids love. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so. And I'm going to put some in now for Dad. And what I like about this two family, my bigger puppies, the dogs, the big dogs, they always, you know, when you cook like this, it's economical because they get to have something to eat too. Because all these little bones that are left back, I'll just mix it up with whatever we have. And sometimes it makes a meal for them. I'm going to finish up, dish up this, put some of the gravy over this. This is for Dad. And okay, come back. YouTube family, so this is our final go-to. This is mine with the cucumbers. Dad doesn't do cucumbers. Certain type of vegetable Dad doesn't do. He doesn't do cabbage. He doesn't do pak choy. He doesn't do cucumbers. He does like lettuce and tomatoes and carrots, string bean and stuff. But cucumber, cabbage, pak choy, he doesn't go for those. So no vegetable for Dad. And so he says he's okay. And this is mine. Yeah, Debbie, why you're one? Dad is not going to eat even all of this. But this is mine. Nobody else here does it. So I'm going to go now. I can't talk to them when I eat your family. I just want to go just indulge and enjoy. And remember, if you eat chicken foot, remember to tell me in the comment section. Tell me how you like it. Didn't find any bean. But I'll be doing my best with it. On top of mine, even though I put scotch on it, I nothing did not say that I go eat none. But in a tree bag, I think him can live with it. I'm still going to put a little hot sauce onto my rice. I'm going to go indulge now. And I'll catch you, let me tell you, after everything goes. So, YouTube family, it's night time. And dinner has been finished. Well, my little curry chicken with and rice, it has been finished. Are pretty good. And also, you see I'm in a different clothes. So, I had to conduct a live on the Jamaican Debbie stream. So, that was what I did. So, pardon me, I'm off the live. I'm having some Kentucky for supper right now. And I'm going to get going with this kitchen. So I hope you did enjoy cooking that little chicken foot with me. I show you what I had. I didn't show you what I eat because I know it's a chicken foot bony and I just want to enjoy it when I was eating it. So thanks for watching. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Remember to hit the notification bell. Remember to make sure you thumbs up the video. Leave me a comment below, principled and decent, and tell me if you're a chicken foot lover. Thanks for those who are new here. Thanks for those who are supporting us on a real genuine scale. We love the love. We thank you. And as I said before, we are coming differently. We are coming surprisingly with new videos, different videos as we go along. We are working as we go. You know that's my thing, will grow. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support right across our channels. And until I see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.